Looking for an Ethernet cable that won't let you down? The Belkin Cat-5e cable delivers a reliable, high-quality connection that stands up to everyday wear and tear. At nearly 20 feet long, it offers plenty of reach without sacrificing speed or stability, making it ideal for both home and office networks. What sets this cable apart is its snagless, molded design. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the sturdy plastic clips on both ends won't snap off or slip out unexpectedly. This means your connection stays secure, whether you're plugging into a computer, gaming console, or KVM switch. It's a small detail that makes a big difference when you need consistent performance. I've seen firsthand how this cable holds up. It's been taped down in a busy dorm room, walked over multiple times, and even tucked under a rug, yet it still works flawlessly. The material feels tough and durable, not flimsy like those budget cables that break easily. This cable is built to last, protecting your investment in reliable connectivity. If you've ever dealt with a cheap Ethernet cable that slips out or loses connection because of a broken clip, you know how frustrating it can be. The Belkin cable's secure clips require a gentle push and pull to disconnect, preventing accidental unplugging. That kind of peace of mind matters when you're relying on your network for work or play. This cable is designed for use with devices like the OmniView SMB1x16 and SMB1x8 KVM switches, making it a versatile choice for complex setups. Its white color and compact dimensions blend easily into any environment without clutter or confusion. If you want a dependable, snagless Ethernet cable that won't tangle or fail under pressure, the Belkin Cat-5e is worth a close look. It's a smart upgrade from generic cables that often disappoint over time. The durability and secure fit mean fewer interruptions and more consistent connections. Ready to improve your network with a cable that truly performs? The Belkin Cat-5e offers what you need: toughness, reliability, and ease of use. Try it when you're ready to stop dealing with flimsy cables and enjoy a connection that just works. Don't settle for less when it comes to your Ethernet cable. Choose Belkin's Cat-5e cable for a trusted connection that lasts. Whether for gaming, streaming, or professional use, this cable delivers consistent results you can count on.